Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Kayla Jukic here if you're new. If you're not, hello again. It is freaking beautiful outside. So I just got in from walking Mr. Kobe. We went for a nice long walk. And when I got in, the security guard had a package for me. I've already opened it because I was like, I don't remember ordering anything. But then I remembered that I did get this. This is the TAGRY wireless earbuds that you can find on Amazon. I'm an overhead headphone kind of girl, so I'm really excited to give these a try. So I figured since I got them, I am going to unbox it with you. We're gonna test them together. I'm literally gonna go do a workout after this, and then I'm gonna give you like my honest review in real time. So I guess it's gonna be a little bit of a fitness vlog. I'm literally so excited to try these because they're like an everyday earbud. Like if you're going for a walk, if you're working out, Pilates, yoga, on the treadmill, like literally anything. If you're working and you want to listen to music, if you're listening to a podcast, literally anything. And it has over 60,000 reviews on Amazon. You heard me right, 60,000, not 6,000. 60,000. That is a lot of freaking reviews. And quite honestly, I was taking a look at them and it was like 4 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. There's a lot of stars there. So people are definitely loving these earbuds. I'm personally excited to try them. Now, I do want to say this video is sponsored by TAGRY, but I will be giving you my honest review. So first things first, we gotta unbox it together and set it up and do all the things. So let's do that first. I'm gonna sit down for this one because I am excited to open these. So these are the TAGRY X08 true wireless earbuds. I literally still see people with wired earbuds, and I mean, whatever, it's fine. Some people just have a preference, but I'm like, it's 2024, like wireless is the way to go. Right off of the bat on the packaging, it says it has wireless charging, it has LED power display, it's a portable charging case, it has a built-in mic, smart touch control, and it is IPX5 waterproof. I'm not entirely sure what that means. I just did a little quick Google search and it does say that the IPX waterproofing is a nano coating that protects the earbuds from water and sweat. So, I mean, that's perfect, especially because people are most likely going to be wearing this for the gym, or like if they're walking, like you're gonna sweat. Even if you're not like working out, you will still sweat, especially in like hotter months. Now, it does say it is wireless charging, but you can also charge it via a USB-C cord. So it gives you the two options, which is pretty cool. Now on the back, it does tell you the features. So the transmission range is 33 feet if there's no obstacle in the way, which I think is pretty far. Now this is really important because it does support iOS, Android, and Windows. So this can be used with your phone, with your laptop. Literally, if you have any of these 3 device systems, then it's gonna work with them. The music playtime says it's about 6 hours on a single full charge, and that's because it has a 470 mAh battery. So with that, if you were like alternating earbuds, you can get up to like 60 hours, which is great because you know what? There has been so many times where I go to the gym and my AirPods or my headphones or whatever they are dead, and it is just so annoying because I feel like you need to charge them so often. So I just took the little case off and now we're gonna open them. I got the pink ones and this is what they look like in the box. So there is a little protective cover over top, so we're gonna just slide that off. And then there is a seal on like the digital area, so I am just going to pop that off. So again, close up, this is what it looks like. The pink part is the case, and then this black part is the LED power display. So as you can see, it does say a number from 1 to 100. Mine's going down, so I think these need to be charged. Then you have these little battery signs. So this is for the left one, this one is for the right one. So I really like this because you can see, you know, what charge your earbuds are at. I will say from a first like initial reaction, these are so lightweight. Like this little case feels so light, like I could just toss it around. Now opening it up, they are like white earbuds, but they still have that pink color on them, which is kind of cool. This is just a little bit of a close-up on what they look like. Now I'm in Canada, so on Amazon Canada, it does come in this pink color, it comes in purple, and it comes in black. I believe if you're in the US and you're buying on Amazon US, you can get it in those 3 colors plus another color called Sunset Pink, which is just like a different shade. You can also get it in white or ocean blue. So I'm gonna quickly put mine for charging. So again, a USB-C charger. Actually, actually quickly, I want to show you, this is what it looks like when it is charging. So I know that between 1 and 100, it's definitely at a 40-ish, because as you can see, the 4 is staying still and then that second digit is flashing. So right now they're at 46%. I'm gonna try and let them go to 50% at least, and then we'll go to the gym. It is now time to go work out. I just put my gym outfit on. Everything is from Muscle Nation. Put my hair up. Now let's connect the earbuds to my phone. What you're gonna do is open the earbuds, then I'm gonna go on my iPhone under Bluetooth, and we are gonna look. It is loading. So as you can see, it comes up under other devices, X08. So we're gonna click that, and now we're gonna wait, and it's already connected. Let's put them on. This is the first time I'm actually putting them in my ears, so we're gonna see how they fit. Wow, I haven't worn earbuds in so long. They fit really good. This is kind of what they look like. Woo! Let me just quickly put on a tune. Let's hear it for the first time. Okay, wow, sound quality first off, really good so far. So let's go to the gym. I'm excited. Just walking to my condo gym right now, and first initial thoughts, I love how they fit in my ear. They're so soft and just, it feels really good in my ear. And the second thing is, I really appreciate how fast that Bluetooth connected to my phone. I mean, you guys literally saw it. It took like 5 or 10 seconds. So that was great.
So good at pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble.
So as you can see, I'm back in my house, done my workout, went with, where are you going? I went for a walk with Mr. Kobe, and before I go shower and eat, let's kind of talk about my review and initial thoughts about the TAGRY earbuds. So first of all, the first thing I want to say, and I kind of already touched on this, is they feel so soft and comfy in my ears. They really did not hurt at all, and honestly, that is a con I find with like earphones and earbuds all the time, just because even me, like I have small ears, so I've always found it harder to find like earbuds that fit good in my ear and don't hurt, and that's kind of why I've gravitated to the over-ear headphones. But these ones I definitely will use all of the time because, like I said, it didn't hurt at all. What I also appreciated was they did not fall out at all. Like, I did cardio after, I went on a walk with Kobe, I was like bending down and grabbing things and this and that, and they didn't fall out, so that was great. One cool thing that I realized during my workout is that you can actually tap the left earbud and it will pause your music. So like if somebody, maybe you see somebody in the gym or you're gonna go talk to somebody and you want to pause your music but you don't want to go on your phone, you can simply just tap it and it will pause for you, and then you tap it again and the music will start playing. So that's super convenient. Overall, like, the sound was great, and I was reading more. It is a 13mm speaker that has a triple layer composite diaphragm, which really plays into the powerful like treble and bass sound and just like the overall clearness. You guys know I love listening to EDM when I work out, and it was hitting. And that's pretty much it. Honestly, overall, I really like these, and for the price, like, these are so perfect. I would definitely say these earbuds are a really good option for somebody who wants something that's affordable, lightweight, you know, if you want something colorful, since there's so many colors to choose from, and something that has like a high battery life. And again, like I said at the beginning of this video, there is over 60,000 reviews on this, so people truly love these earbuds. I'm gonna link TAGRY in the description box below, as well as the link to these earbuds, so if you guys are interested, just click the link and purchase them. Overall, I definitely will keep using these. You guys will definitely see them in some of my vlogs, you know, in the future. And I know, even though they're pink, my husband will probably steal these from me for when he goes to work out in the gym. Thank you again for TAGRY for sponsoring today's video. If you guys have any questions at all about these earbuds before purchasing, please comment them down below or shoot me a DM on Instagram at Kayla Jukic, and I will answer that for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to me down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. That lets me know you did enjoy it, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.